Google has packed a big 3,450 mAh battery into the Pixel XL, and that was a good decision, because the bright and pixel-dense 2K resolution can really drain the phone if you're not careful. We found that we were averaging a day and a quarter of battery life during our week with the phone, using it as we normally do, checking social media every hour, playing games while waiting in line and making that rare phone call. Screen on time is what drains the battery the quickest. Watching a 90-minute looped HD video as part of our lab testing wore it down to a pathetic 68% from its 100% starting point. That's technically worse than every other 2016 Android phone, which means two things: 1, the screen brightness is enough to burn a hole in the ozone layer, and 2, Google's software, with DOS 2.0 battery-saving background features, is really efficient when we're not using the phone outside of the lab. If you're a power user, you're better off with the Pixel XL than the standard Pixel, which, despite its full HD screen, only gave us a day before we ran back to the charger. Its smaller 2,770 mAh power pack is just that much less. Of course, you're way better off with either Pixel phone than with the Samsung Galaxy Note 7, which now has the battery life rating of explosion. The bad news is that the adapter uses a USB-C port to achieve those speeds, meaning you have to lug around the USB-C to USB-C cable everywhere. Sounds okay, right? Carrying around the USB-C to USB-A cable and a Samsung, or another similar USB-A accepting charger, is an option, but we found that charging the Pixel XL with this cable to be about 25 minutes slower. Yet the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, with a slightly bigger battery and the same exact cable and adapter, could charge in about a similar 1 hour and 53 minutes. Displaying the battery life levels in the system tray, and when the power is off, and improving the charging interface are two areas in which the Pixel falls behind, even if its battery life is a solid day and a quarter.